Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga air signs natin dyan? Anong meron sa inyo right now, no? So, let's see anong sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person on your mind. Message or advice from your inner self and of course from universe, no? So let's start with you, Gemini. So kamusta kayo dyan, mga Gemini natin? So let's see anong sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person right now, Gemini, no? So kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. So I hope naririnig nyo ako dito, no, mga air signs, no, right? So 3 cards for you, Gemini. So, one more card. So, ano kayang sitwasyon meron ang ating mga Gemini right now, no? So, you have this. Nakikita nyo ba? Wait lang, dito natin to, no? Para makikita nyo, no, na for Gemini, right? So, no, parang dito na lang natin. So, you have this, you are the one for me, no? So, mga Gemini, no? So, I think, maybe both of you are really love each other, no? For some of you, Gemini, no? So, or if there is separation, no? So, may realization itong tao na to, no? That you are the one for him or her, no? Or, again, vice versa tayo, right? So, what more? What else, I mean? So, you have this, no? May separation nga, right? No? So, meron dito, I want you back, please forgive me, no? So, nagsisisi tong tao na to. Like I said, is may nagkaroon ng realization itong tao na ito, no, Gemini, no? So, I don't know what happened, no? But then, merong pagsisisi dito, no? So, maybe ay ikaw to or ang person mo, no? Again, ay vice versa tayo dito, right? So, last is, you know my secrets, no? So, no? Maybe, may na-discover ka dito, no, Gemini. That's why nagkaroon ng separation sa inyong dalawa, right? No? So, no? But I think this person is really in regrets, no? Something like that, no? So, hindi niya siguro akalain na, ma-rediscover mo whatever it is that he or she is hiding, right? No? So, but then, for him or her, or again, vice versa tayo, Gemini, no? So, maybe ay, may pagsisisi dito, no? That's why, gusto niya talagang makipagbalikan, no? Or gusto na makipagbalikan ng tao na ito, no, whoever it is, no, na may nagawa, no, something like that, regarding the secrets, no, something like that, no, there is something behind the secrets that was revealed, and then it made the two of you to separate ways, right? No, but then may pagsisisi and thinking that you are the one for them, no, something like that, no. So, please forgive me, no. So, there is really a regret here, no, mga Gemini. So, kayo lang din talaga rin ang nakakaalam niyan, Gemini, whoever that person is, no. So, let's see naman what's your advice, what's the message or advice from your inner self, no. So, kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Gemini. So, gaganunin na lang natin again, no. So, kasi pagka inaano natin ay madaming nahuhulog, no. So, tignan natin, Gemini. Let's get 1 card for you for message or advice from your inner self, right? No, so let's see. So, you have this dream, no? So, for some of you, Gemini, no, maybe mahilig kayong or nananaginip kayo, no? Something like that, no, mga Gemini. So, sinasabi ng inner self mo rito, Gemini, is if naaalala niyo yung panaginip nyo, maybe you can take notes of that, right? No? So, maybe there is, for sure, there is a message, no? Regarding your dreams, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, for some of you yan na maybe kailangan yung isulat and then pwede nyong pagduktong-duktongin, no, whatever dreams are, no. So, pwedeng, kasi kung madalas kayong mananaginip, pwede nyong yang i-take note, no, take down notes kayo ng dreams nyo, and then, baka, pag pinagsama-sama nyo, kung ano yung mga naalala nyo sa mga dreams nyo, right, ay may message for you, no, something like that. And for some of you naman, Gemini, with these dreams is, I think that, literary, yeah, for some of you, Gemini, is mataas kayong mangarap, no, something like that, with the stars here around, 'di ba? May mga pangarap kayo sa buhay na parang feeling nyo is parang out of reach ba, no? Something like that, no? Parang para sa inyo ay yung pangarap na yan ay parang ang hirap mangyari. That's why, 'di ba, may kasabihan tayo, there's na wala namang masamang mangarap, no? So, kasi for me, may negative yun na meaning for me, yung wala namang masamang mangarap eh. Kasi parang kino-close mo na agad yung sarili mo for that dreams, right? No? So, sinasabi ng inner self mo dito ay, Gemini, is to pursue those goals, no? Those dreams, no? So, wag mo lang siyang pangarapin. Instead is gawin mo, no? Take an action of it kasi there is possible na mangyayari yon basta maniniwala ka lang, no? Kasi laging mindset natin pag sinabi nating nangangarap tayo ng mataas, para sa atin is pangarap, wala namang masamang mangarap, right? But then, bakit mo sinasabi yun? Because alam mo na sa sarili mo, parang sinasabi mo hindi na mangyayari yun. That's why wala namang masamang mangarap. 'Di ba? Kasi kung alam mo sa sarili mo mangyayari yun, gagawin mo yun. Hindi mo sasabihin na walang masamang mangarap. Instead, you are taking an action, right? 'Di ba? Kaya, with this, no, sinasabi ng iyong inner self is to take action of your dreams, right? No, don't just dream. Take an action, no, Gemini, no? So, that's it, no? So, let's see what's the message or advice for you from the universe, no, Gemini. So, kuha din tayo ng one card for you, Gemini. So, yeah, one card for Gemini. What's the message or advice from the universe, right? So, what is this? So, be open to receiving, no? So, for some of you, Gemini, no? So, I think there is opportunities that are opening to you, no? Mga Gemini natin, no? So, be open to receive, no? So, sinasabi dito ni universe is, kumbaga ay, yun nga, ay be aware of those doors or those opportunities, no? Maybe yung iba sa inyo hindi nyo napapansin, no? Something like that. Or, yeah, marami kasing mag-open na doors, no? Ay, mga opportunities for you, Gemini, no? But then, yeah, you have to be open, no, to receive those opportunities. Maybe blessings din, no, because opportunities is blessings din, right, no? Hindi naman pwedeng blessings lang agad dyan, no? But then, opportunities is to take action, and while you are taking the action, the right action of that is you will receive the blessing, right, no? So Gemini, so sinasabi dito, be open to receive the opportunities, but beware. Why? Because not all the doors that are opening is true, is genuine, I don't know what's the, genuine. Basta is, hindi lahat ay tama para sa'yo. So, you have to study, or you have to make a smart decision about that, no? So, hindi hindi lang din naman tanggap ng tanggap, no? So, halimbawa, for contracts is kailangan basahin mong mabuti, 'di ba? Something like that, no? So, para maintindihan mo rin ano yung pinapasok mo, no? Something like that, no? So, but then, sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe is, there are opportunities that will be opening for you, no, Gemini. So, be ready, no? So, for some of you, ay eto na, nare-receive nyo na to, nagkakaroon na ng mga job offers, no? Something like that, business investments, no? So, but then, kailangan ay maging smart kayo, no? Be mindful of everything, no? Kasi, lalo na pag may involved na pera, so, iwas-iwas lang tayo sa mga sa mga scams, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, Gemini, no? So, I hope nakarelate ka dito sa ating reading today, Gemini. So, yeah, good luck sa'yo, Gemini, and God bless you all, Gemini. So, yeah, let's proceed naman to you, Libra, no? So, yeah, Libra, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Libra natin dyan, no? So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng iyong person on your mind, right? No? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Libra, here, no? So, tignan natin. 3 cards for Libra. So, yeah, 1, 2. Ano kayang sitwasyon meron sa mga Libra natin, right? So, let's see. What's that cards? What are those cards, right? No? So, yeah. For Libra. So, meron dito, Libra, no? May nagtatanong sa inyo, no? Will you marry me, no? So, Libra, no? I don't know if this person is, yeah, no? Maybe, ready to settle na itong person na to, no? May nagtatanong sa inyo. Maybe may balak tong mag-propose, no? For some of you, Libra, no? Dahil, will you marry me, no? So, what else? Please act, 'di ba? Meron talaga, no, Libra, no? So, yeah. Please accept my true love for you, no? So, yeah, no? May true love daw dito, Libra, no? And wants to offer you marriage, no? For some of you, Libra. And last, friends with benefits, no? So, yeah, no? For some of you, Libra, I think whoever this is na gusto mag-propose sa inyo, gusto kayong makasama, mga Libra, no? Wait lang, no? So, yan, no? This is a true love daw, no? Sabi dito, no? And this one is your friend, no? Some of you, Libra, no? So, yeah, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no? Mga Libra, no? So, there is this someone na who is your friend, no? Meron pala siyang yeah, pagtingin sa inyo, Libra, no? So, I think I don't know if you knew this, no? For some of you, but then yeah, maybe soon, no? For sure na wait lang, nahihirapan ako sa card nyo, Libra, no? So, yeah, ayusin lang natin. So, yan, no? This friend of yours, Libra, is soon will ask you, no? To marry him, no? So, maybe biglaan lang to. I think this friend of yours, Libra, ay biglaan tong magpo-propose sa'yo, no? Something like that, no? Kasi parang walang ano no? I think parang wala siyang, or both of you, Libra, parang wala kayong label lang because lumabas dito ang friend right? No? So, yeah, I think this one is biglaan lang tong magpo-propose, no? For some of you. Ito yung nasisense ko dito, mga Libra, no? So, hindi nyo alam because wala kayong relationship with this friend, no? Something like that, no? So, may parang may biglaan tong magpro-propose sa inyo, and then yeah, sorry for the langaw, no? yeah, mga Libra, no? So biglaang magpro-propose sa inyo itong friend na ito, no? And then may pagmamakaawa pang mangyayari dito, no? For some of you, dahil parang talagang for me ay gagawin niya yung lahat para i-accept mo daw ang kanyang true love, no? So, there is this true love, no? From your friend, no? So, yeah, your friend Libra will ask you soon to marry him, no? So, kung hindi pa man kayo kasal, no? For some of you, no? Baka kayo ng friend mo ay hindi pa kayo kasal. So, that's why baka nag-aano lang ng lakas ng loob ito, no? That's why, because kasi nga friend kayo, no? So maybe nahihiya tong magsabi sa iyo, Libra, no? But then I strongly feel this eagerness, no, with this friend of yours, Libra, na soon ay maglalakas loob to na mag-ask sa'yo if you will marry him, 'di ba? Right? No? So yeah, at for me ay gagawin niya yung lahat para tanggapin mo yung true love daw niya for you, no, Libra, no. So yeah, no. So I don't know kung anong magiging reaction mo. So ikaw lang din nakakaalam nito, Libra, no. So whoever this friend of yours, no. So yeah, with the benefits here, maybe ay meron kayong na mutual understanding din with this friend, no. That's why baka parang nagkakahulugan na kayo ng loob, no, something like that. But then if hindi pa naman ay maglalakas ng loob itong friend na ito to propose a marriage for you, no? A long-term commitment with you, Libra, no? So, this friend is offering his true love for you, no? So, mahal ka daw niya talaga, no? So, yeah, siguro may realization itong friend mo na ito, no, Libra. That's why ay magpo-propose siya sa'yo ng long-term commitment for you, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, that's the situation you have, Libra, no? So, let's see naman anong advice or message from your inner self, no, Libra, no? So, kuha tayo ng one card here, no? So, I hope naririnig nyo ako again, no? So, yeah, one card for you, Libra, for your inner self, no? Message or maybe advice, right? No? So, you have this, Libra, forgiveness, no? So, sinasabi dito, Libra, no, sa ng iyong inner self, Libra, is it's time to forgive people who did mistakes, no? Who did hurt you, no, sa past or even whatever tao sa paligid mo ay kailangan mo na raw patawarin, no? Sabi ng inner self mo, because I think ay nahihirapan ka rin, no? Parang you are feeling trapped, no, with the situation, with that feeling na parang hinohold back mo yung mga issues mo na naranasan, something like that, no. So parang you are feeling trapped, no, with this, kung makikita mo, no, para makalaya ka na sa kulungan, no, something like that, no. So kailangan mo nang magpatawad, no, forgiveness, no. So yon, kailangan mo nang patawarin sino man tong mga taong nakagawa ng kasalanan sa'yo, or vice versa, ikaw, syempre lahat tayo nagkakaroon ng kasalanan, 'di ba, right? Wala namang taong walang may kasalanan, right? No? So lahat tayo. So ganun lang din 'yun, vice versa, no? We have to forgive, and also we have to ask forgiveness din sa mga taong nagawa natin ng kasalanan. So for that, we can totally be what? Be free from that emotional baggage inside of us, right? Because this is your inner self, no? So nararamdaman na talaga ng iyong sarili, nabibigatan ka na rin, right? No? So kailangan mo nang makalaya sa mga pain na meron kang pinagdadaanan ngayon, Libra, no? So you have to forgive, and also you have to ask forgiveness then for those people na alam mo sa sarili mo na may pagkakamali ka rin, right? No? So kailangan lang is acceptance din dito, no? Acceptance from your mistakes, acceptance from the people who did mistakes to you, right? No? So you can have this total what? Total peace of mind, right? Libra, no? So, para makalaya ka na totally, no? Kasi ayun yung parang nakikita ko rito, no? Gusto mo nang makalaya, but then, nahihirapan ka, no? Something like that, no? Because of dito. At saka, kung titignan mo dito, Libra, no? Even though na ikaw ito, but then, napakaliwanag mo rito, no? Something like that, no? Gina-guide ka din ni universe, no? Sa mga ginagawa mo, no? Gina-guide ka niya sa tamang path. So, that's why, ang dami mo ng kung makikita mo, may mga, I think there is synchronicities na rin na nakikita mo, Libra, no? Around you, no? Maybe, angel numbers or signs, no? So, meaning, nakikipag-connect sa'yo si universe, no? Mga Libra. Yeah, 'di ba? Nakikipag-connect sa yon si Universe, Libra. So, be aware of those synchronicities na nare-receive mo, no? There is a message for you, Libra, no? So, yeah, again is you have to forgive and also ask for forgiveness so you can totally be free, right? No? So, yeah, that's the message from your inner self, no? So, let's see naman what's the message or advice for you from, of course, kay universe, no? Sa ating God, no? Sa ating source, creator, no? So, yeah. Kuha din tayo dito ng one card for you, Libra. One card for your message or advice from the universe, right? So, what is this? So, yan, no? Prioritize reflection, no? So, for some of you, Libra, no? So, sinasabi dito ni universe, no? Ang advice sa'yo is prioritize reflection. So, what is this, no? Reflection. So, you have to what? Reflect, tignan mo maigi yung sarili mo, right? Bakit nangyayari lahat ng bagay na nangyayari right now for you? Maybe because talagang meron ka ring mga hindi nagagawang tama, something like that, or yeah, maybe you are so being tired na rin, no? From what you are experiencing right now, no? From the obstacles that you are dealing right now, no? Libra, no? So, what universe is saying to you with this prioritized reflection is for you to go within yourself, right? Tignan mo mabuti yung sarili mo. Tama pa ba tong nangyayari sa buhay mo? Is this really what you want from yourself? Or there is something else na dapat mong gawin? Something like that, no? So, kung makikita mo, di ba, kausap, nasa mirror siya, no? But then, titignan mo, Libra, because this is you, right? No? Kung makikita mo, reflection, right? You are seeing your reflection doon sa mirror. You are seeing yourself like yeah, because tignan mo yung sarili mo sa window, 'di ba? Mirror. Yung reflection mo sa mirror is like wait lang yeah, 'di ba? Yung reflection mo sa window, ba't window ako ng window? Kasi nasa window ako malapit. Yeah, yung reflection mo sa mirror, Libra, kung makikita mo, right? Ikaw ito, no? Meron kang pakpak. 'Di ba? You have these wings, no? And then you have this crown. Kung makikita mo, 'di ba? Pag titignan mo yung sarili mo sa salamin, ganyan yung reflection mo. No? But then, hindi mo siya nakikita. You are not seeing the real you, Libra, no? Which is what? For me, ang nakikita ko dito, Libra, is you're like an angel, no? Angel in disguise, no? Something like that. Because this is what the card saying to you, no? Tumitingin ka sa salamin, but then, you are not seeing the real you, no? Marami kang doubt sa iyong sarili, no? But then, if you really look deeper within yourself, makikita mo how, kumbaga, how beautiful you are, no? Something like that. Because kung makikita mo sa salamin, no? Ikaw yun, no? Na angel, meron ka pang crown like a princess, right? So, pinapakita sa iyo dito ni universe, mali yung perception mo sa sarili mo. Mali yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. Maybe, why? Because people around you are degrading you, no? Kumbaga parang hindi ka nila pinapahalagahan. That's why, parang ikaw, hindi mo din pinapahalagahan yung sarili mo. I mean, yung mga tao sa paligid mo na hindi nagpapahalaga sa'yo, tactic lang nila yun eh, na i-down ka eh. Kaya kanila dinadown because you are this strong, brave, beautiful woman here sa mirror, right? Kung makikita mo. Dinadown ka lang nila because para, what? Para pagsilbihan mo sila. Something like that, na dapat ikaw naman, 'di ba? This is your time eh, this is your season, no? Something like that, no? So, makikita mo, 'di ba? Ikaw tong napakagandang angel na may crown ka pa, right? 'Di ba? Napakaliwanag ng background mo dito sa mirror because universe is with you, no? Si God is with you, but then dito ang totoong nandito ka sa darkness eh, oh. Kung makikita mo, but then kapag tumingin ka sa mirror, napakaliwanag, right? Kaso hindi mo siya nakikita, no? Total darkness ang iyong vision, no? Because of people around you, no? So, ngayon, sinasabi sa iyo ni universe, prioritize yourself. Huwag palaging ibang tao ang iniisip mo, kapakanan ng ibang tao, kasi sila, kung makikita mo, ay hindi ka naman nila pinapahalagahan. Pero ikaw parang palagi na lang ibang tao yung iniisip mo, no? Kahit na kung ano-ano na lang gawin nila sa'yo, no? For sure. 'Di ba? Kung makikita mo dito, 'di ba, Libra? Parang masyado kang kasi parang you are totally in darkness eh. 'Di ba? So, what does it mean, no? Parang hirap na hirap ka na sa sitwasyon mo, Libra. Akala mo, puro kadiliman na lang. But then, try to look within yourself deeper. And of course, connect with God. Have this strong connection with God. Kasi, kinakausap ka na nila eh, 'di ba? Right, no? Tumitingin ka sa salamin, but then hindi mo nakikita yung totoo kung sino ka. 'Di ba? You are this angel with crown. 'Di ba? Libra, no? So, ito yung sinasabi sa iyo ni universe, no? So, unahin mo naman ang iyong sarili before anyone else na hindi ka naman inuuna, 'di ba? You are prioritizing wrong people, right? So, this time, i-prioritize mo naman ang sarili mo, Libra, because ayaw na ni universe na ikaw na yung laging nahihirapan because dito, nandito ka sa dark eh. Pero, eto ka dapat na, nandito ka na sa liwanag, napakaliwanag, but then, parang sinisiksik mo pa rin yung sarili mo dito sa darkness, no? Something like that, no? So, parang kahit sabi mong namumulat ka na, nakikita mo na, but then, hindi mo pinapansin, no? That's why si universe ay ginigising ka na, no? Maybe may connection to dun sa dreams mo, no? Kanina sa isang card mo, sa iyong inner self, no? Kinokonek ka sa dreams mo, no? Ginigising ka na, no? Kung ano yung totoong sitwasyon mo. Something like that, no? So, be aware ka din, no? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, sa mga synchronicities na nakikita mo, Libra, angel number, signs, no? So, yeah. Tignan mong mabuti dahil palagi silang nagsisend sa'yo ng signs si universe. 'Di ba? There is really a message for you, no? So, hindi mo kasi siya nare-receive ng maayos, Libra, because you are busy prioritizing people around you that are not meant to prioritize, right? It's time for yourself, prioritize yourself. So yeah, that's it for you, Libra, no? So I hope may naka-resonate with that reading, no? So yeah, basta ang sinasabi dito ni universe is prioritize yourself, no? So yeah, that's it for you. So God bless you all, Libra, no? So yeah, that's it, no? Thank you for watching, Libra, no? So yeah, let's proceed naman, no, kay Aquarius. So yeah, let's continue, no, Aquarius. So yeah, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Aquarius natin dyan, no? So, tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng person on your mind, no? And of course, message or advice from your inner self and from universe, no? So, let's start. Let's get 3 cards for you, Aquarius, no? Kamusta dyan mga Aqua natin, right? No? So, 3 cards for you, Aqua. So, kuha tayo. 3 cards. So, may nakita agad akong red, no? So, I hope hindi naman ganun kalala. So, yeah. So, 2 friends. 2 red, no? So, tignan natin yan, ha? Mga Aquarius natin, ha? Sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person on your mind, Aquarius. So, yeah, no? Meron dito, Aqua, cheated on you for so long, no? So, yeah, merong cheating na nangyari dito sa inyo, no? So, matagal na, no? So, maybe ay kailan mo lang nalaman, but then, matagal niya na tong ginagawa, no? Something like that, no? So, or again, vice versa tayo, pwedeng ikaw to, Aqua, no? Right? So, yeah, what else? I have addiction, no? So, yan, no? I have addiction. Accept that, no? So, parang may pagpipilit dito, no? Parang sinasabi ng person mo is, kailangan mo siyang tanggapin kung sino siya. Ano man tong mga red flag sa kanya ay kailangan mo daw tanggapin, no? Because ganun siya, no? Something like that, no? So, what else? May pagkamatigas ang ulo pala nito, no? So, and then you have this friend with benefits, no? So, yeah. So, I think you started as friends, no, with this, no, Aquarius, no, and then nagkaroon kayo ng relationship, no, with this friend, no, but then, yeah, so take what's resonate lang, no, so ito lang din yung nakikita ko dito, ang mga Aquarius, no, so before, you are this no, friendship, no, but then nagkaroon kayo ng relationship, and then yun nga, for so long, no, ay yung pala ay, because nag-start kayo as friend, di ba? Friend with benefits, no? So, yeah, from the start is medyo hindi na rin maganda pala yung parang nangyayari, no? You are friend, but then there is intimacy, going on, no? Something like that, no? So, take what's resonate, no? Kung sino lang makaka-relate dito, no? Mga Aqua, no? So, yeah, but then, nung nagkaroon na kayo ng relationship, no? Later on, no? I don't know kung how long is the relationship, no? But then, yeah, ay nag-cheat pala siya sa iyo, no? At matagal na, no? So, recently mo lang siguro ito nalaman, no? So, maybe, bakit? Because, before, eto kayo, no? You are this friend with benefits, no? So, akala mo, dahil nagkaroon na kayo ng relationship, no? Ngayon, ginagawa naman niya sa iba, no? Parang iyon yung nakikita ko rito, no? Kasi before, kayo yung friends lang, no? But then, there is this intimacy, no? But then, nung nagkaroon na kayo ng relationship, no, ginawa naman niya with others, no? Kumbaga, siguro, kasi nga, I think, because of this addiction, no, so, parang hindi siya mapakali, no, something like that, no, maybe yeah, with other friends pa siguro, ginagawa rin niya ito, no, something like that, no, because, hindi niya mapigilan siguro or hindi siya kontento sa isa, no, something like that, because I don't know kung nung friends pa rin, nung nung time na you are friends pa lang ay meron ba kayong kanya-kanyang karelasyon or siya may karelasyon ba siya, but then you're having intimacy with this friend of yours, but then nung naging karelasyon mo na siya ay ginawa din niya with other, no? So parang sanay siya, parang hindi mawala sa kanya yung gano'n, no, na hook up siya sa iba, no, something like that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. But then parang may pagpipilit kasi rito, no. So maybe I don't know kung siguro for me ay hindi pa kayo hiwalay, no, kasi there is ano, parang pinipilit niya sa iyo, Aqua, na tanggapin mo, no, yung sitwasyon na meron kayo, no, parang ganun yung nakikita ko rito, no. So parang pinipilit niya sa iyo na tanggapin mo siya in spite of what those other hidden agendas na nalaman mo na, no, mga hidden niya, no, hidden anong bang tawag dito, mga ginagawa, no, something like that, no. So sinasabi niya rito na pinipilit niya sa iyo na i-accept mo those addiction na meron siya, no? Parang ayaw niyang umalis, ayaw niyang maghiwalay kayo, but then kailangan parang pipilitin niyang i-accept mo yung ganong sitwasyon, no? So, yeah, parang ang hirap naman, 'di ba, right? No? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, Aqua, no, kung sa inyong sitwasyon ito, no? So, but then for me if that's the case, no, Aqua, is I think just turn this person down, no. So kumbaga, I mean, don't accept this anymore, no, kasi for me hindi niya yun aalisin sa sarili niya, no. So kung if ever is kung wala pa naman kayong pamilya, no, anak or whatever, no, relationship pa lang kayo, no, so let go of this person, no, because he or she is not good for you, no. Kumbaga parang nasanay siya sa ganun, no. So maybe until now ay ganun pa rin siya, no. Kaya parang pinipilit niya sa iyo, accept mo daw yun. So but then that is really a big no, no. So kung ikaw i-accept mo, it's up to you, no. So you still have the free will, no, whatever you want to do, no. So nasa sayo pa rin yan. But then what I can advise to you, Aqua, is to turn your back in this person, no. So hindi naman na dapat tanggapin pa ito, because magiging magulo lang yung inyong relationship, no. So yeah, baka pagmulan pa to ng kung mas worse, no, something like that. So habang kung maaga pa, wala pa naman kayo talagang commitment sa isa't isa, is you have to 'di ba, let go of this person na, no. Wag mo na siyang pabalikin sa buhay mo, no. But then of course, you still have this free will, no. Ikaw pa rin ang magde-decide, no. So this is just a guidance for you, no, mga Aqua, no. So yeah, that's it for you, no. So ayan yung nakuha nating sitwasyon, no. So kung sino lang makaka-relate with that, no. So tignan naman natin anong advice or message for you ng iyong inner self, Aqua, no. So kuha tayo ng one card for you, Aqua, no. So let's see what's the message or advice for you. So you have this boundaries, no. So 'di ba, katulad ng sinabi ko sa iyo kanina, no, let go of that person, no. So meron ka ngayon naman is boundaries, no. So maglagay ka na ng boundaries, no. Guard up ka na, Aquarius, because ikaw lang din ang mahihirapan, no, if you will still accept that person, no. Kasi nasa total darkness ka kapag 'di ba? Total darkness, no. So kailangan mo pa ng ilaw para makita mo yung paligid mo, right? So parang right now you are in you are being blind, no. Ayun yung nakikita ko, no. So parang sinasabi sa iyo ng ng inner self mo is ano, yun nga, because gusto mo ng, parang kasi nga feeling ko dun ay hindi pa talaga kayo totally in separation with that person eh. Pero may problem nang nangyayari, no? So, but then, ikaw ito, ako, parang binubulagan mo yung sarili mo or you're just being blind, no? Because of the darkness around you. So, sinasabi ni inner self mo to guard up, no? Have these boundaries, no? Mag-ilaw ka naman para makita mo naman Libra, Aquarius, no? Yung paligid mo, yung nangyayari sa reality, sa realidad, no? Something like that because you are being blind with the darkness, no? So, yeah, again, sinasabi, ina-advise sa'yo ni inner self mo, mag-ilaw ka raw, no? Have these boundaries, no? Para alam mo kung hanggang saan lang yung limitation mo. Even if you want to still continue that relationship with that person, but then have these boundaries. Alamin mo yung limitation. Pakita niya muna na totally nagbabago siya. Hindi pwedeng i-accept whatever red flags because that is a red flag, 'di ba? Right? Hindi yun makakabuti sa isang relationship, right? So, kailangan ikaw mag-ilaw ka na so you can see what's happening around you, no? Huwag ka nang magbulag-bulagan, no, Aquarius, no? So, let's see what's the message or overall advice for you ni universe, no, Aquarius, no? So, kuha tayo again, one card for you, Aquarius. So, yeah. No? What's the message or advice from the universe, right? For you, Aqua, no? So, yeah, no, you have this, tell it like it is, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe dito, no? Ina-advisean ka, no? Aquarius, no? So, sabihin mo daw kung ano yung mga kailangang sabihin, no? Huwag kang matakot, no? So, kasi 'di ba? Kung makikita mo nasa storm 'to no? You are in a storm, no? May ulan, no? So maybe talagang meron kang pinagdadaanan right now, no? But then you are being blind, you are being unspoken, no? Something like that, no? So sinasabi sa dito, tell it like it is, no? Sinasabi ni universe is to speak up, no? Stand for yourself, no? Kung makikita mo, may mga mic pa rito, no? Something like that na wag mong ikahiya, no? Wag kang matakot or whatever is that, no? Na kailangan mong sabihin, no? So, parang kailangan mong depensahan dito yung sarili mo, no? Aqua, no? So, because of the storm, no? May malaki kang problemang pinagdadaanan. Something like that, no? And then you don't have the voice for yourself, no? Parang hindi ka makapagsalita ng iyong side, no? Something like that, no? But then, binibigyan ka dito ni universe ng sabihin mo raw kung ano yung dapat sabihin, no? Huwag kang matakot because whatever is this or that you want to speak up is really, the truth lang naman, no? Something like that, no? So, hindi ka naman syempre magsasalita ng hindi naman totoo, no? So, red flag din yun, no? So, kung ano yung totoo lang is yun ang dapat mong sabihin. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, then yun ang dapat mong sabihin, no? Aquarius dito, no? So, kasi dun ka makakabangon eh kapag naging matapang ka para sa sarili mo, right? Kung makikita mo rito kahit umuulan, ikaw to Aqua, 'di ba? Nandito ka pa rin sa stage nakatayo. Kahit na bumabagyo na, nauulanan ka na, still you are standing, right? So ito yung sinasabi sa iyo dito ni universe. You have to stand up for yourself, 'di ba? Whatever obstacles that you are dealing right now because this is meant to happen. Hindi ka magiging stronger kung wala kang obstacles na pinagdadaanan. But then, how can you be stronger if hindi ka mag-stand up for yourself? Kung hahayaan mo na lang palagi yung dumaan ng dumaan, so paulit-ulit lang mangyayari yan. Because, why? Because hindi mo sinusolusyonan. hindi mo ginagampanan yung dapat mong gawin para sa sarili mo, no? Something like that, no, Aquarius, no? So, yeah, I hope naka-resonate kayo dito, no, Aquarius, sa ating reading for you. So, yeah, that's it for you, no? I hope na, again, no, sana naintindihan niyo yung aking sinasabi sa inyo, no? So, yeah, yeah, that's all for you, no? Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? So, yeah, see you again sa next reading natin. And yeah, God bless you all. Have faith sa inyong sarili. And of course, have faith with God because God is always with you, no, mga air signs. And guiding you, no, towards your goals, your dreams in light in life. And of course, for your growth din, no? So, para mag-mature din kayo, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, that's it for you and God bless you all again and have a nice day and thank you for watching Air Signs.